All right, we're going to look at TryIt problem number 1. The question is, are the following sequences arithmetic? And if so, what is the recursive definition and what is the next term in the sequence? So the first one's pretty easy. In order to find out whether or not it's arithmetic, we need to look for the common difference. So to go from 25 to 20, I'm going to subtract 5. To go from 20 to 15, I'm going to subtract 5. To go from 15 to 10, I'm going to subtract 5. So our common difference here is that we continuously subtract 5. So our common difference is -5. If I wanted to know the next term in the sequence, I would subtract 5 one more time, and 10 minus 5 would equal 5. So that's our next term in the sequence. In order to find the recursive formula, remember our recursive formula is always a sub n is equal to, and then we got this fancy curly Q bracket, and we've got a sub 1, and then a sub n minus 1, and the common difference, d, then n is equal to 1, and n is greater than 1. Now we only have to change 2 things in this particular formula in order to write the recursive formula. We change our a sub 1. Our a sub 1 is the first term in the sequence. So the first term in this sequence is 25. So we put a 25 in there. And then the only other thing that we change is our common difference. And our common difference here is -5. So we replace that with a -5. And that's our formula. We don't replace anything else. We only replace those 2 spots. We replace the a sub n and the common difference. For part B is actually even easier, you all. We start looking for our common difference. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3. Oh, already not a common difference. Doop, doop. So since there is not a common difference, this sequence is not arithmetic. So we just write not arithmetic. Done.